My name is Lindsay and I'm the Level 2 Business Coordinator here at Lewes. Okay, the best thing about Level 2 Business is students undertake a wide range of units here. They include marketing, mindset, ICT skills, planning a project, social and online collaboration skills. The course gives learners a solid foundation to progress to primarily Level 3 Business, but they can progress onto any Level 3 course here at ESCG Lewes.
Hello, my name is Michelle Burkill. I teach the BTEC Level 3 National Diploma in Business. What are the strengths of being a business student? Being a business student, it gives you a range of broad skills. We cover so many varieties of units. We go from law, we can actually use marketing, we have accounting. So one of the positives of choosing business is the fact that if you actually don't know what you're doing or you're not sure of your career prospects, business gives you an opportunity to study a broad range of subjects. What we would like you to achieve is Level 4 in your maths and English. We teach finance, we look at personal finance, we look at business finance. We have a variety of vocational skills. BTEC is recognised by universities. It's equivalent to 3 A-levels. So if you do feel that you struggle with A-levels and exams, this is an opportunity for you to come to us as a BTEC student, do coursework and 2 exams in the first year. How does business benefit your future career? So we look at accounting, we look at marketing, so those skills combined with vocational studies will give an opportunity of choice at the end of the course.
With Level 2 and Level 3 Business, we also undertake a wide variety of trips and visits. These are local, they can be within the UK or they can actually be worldwide. Obviously we have this pandemic at the moment, but in normal years we have visited China, New York, France. We also visit local businesses. We have a really good relationship with local businesses. Within the course, students undertake a variety of work experience hours. These vary from 30 hours to 45 days industrial placements. We have a lot of online and local businesses that we can resource, and we will help the students to go out and find them. We've also had a number of students who actually gain employment from these opportunities. They are as realistic as possible to gain the most confidence and ability for the students when they leave the course. Level 2 Business is assessed throughout the year with written assignments and online assignments.
My favourite part of the course is the Unit 19. It's pitching for a business, which is what the students are doing at the moment. They get the opportunity in Year 2 to bring collectively all of the knowledge that they have learnt in Unit 1, bring together their ideas of entrepreneurial skills and actually pitch for a business. We bring in a live audience such as NatWest and HSBC and the Prince's Trust, who have actually sat and given them their professional advice, moving forward to the opportunity of actually bringing forward the realistic business ideas that actually enhances their confidence.